Wow, look at that. He just ripped the whole leaf off. Or she.
Tiger's like, you're in my way. I can't see it.
What's the matter, Tiger? You can look. You can jump on the windowsill at any time.
Go get it, Tiger. Go get it, Tiger. Go get it, Tiger.
Look at the markings on that baby. Oh, I miss having a bunny rabbit. If the phone's moving around, it's because it's 6 point. Oh, Tiger's like climbing over me at the moment. She's coming around the other side. Let's see. Oh, yep. Look at that. Ripped the leaf right off. Got a hungry rabbit out there. Hey, Tiger. You watching the bunny? You can really see it in the phone. Look. Guys, there's Tiger. Let's zoom back in here. There we go. So cool.